Dear friends, in this video, you will get simple ideas for making letter A crafts to improve kids' fine motor skills, color recognition, creative mind, and focus. This collection of crafts to teach the letter A is perfect for your preschool letter of the week lessons. Find crafts for 9A themes. This list is so much fun! There are preschool arts and crafts projects that go with 9 different A-themed words, and many of them incorporate the letter A into the craft itself. Your preschooler will have so much fun creating apples through paper plates, clothespin alligators, handprint acorns, and much more. If you don't teach with the letter of the week method, that's okay. These crafts go well with your autumn lessons, apples and acorns, animal activities, alligators, transportation theme, ambulance, and much more. These alphabet activities will help introduce the uppercase letter A to your toddlers, preschoolers, and kindergartners. Think of other words that start with the letter A, like apple, art, ants, airplanes, or astronauts, as you work on these letter A craft patterns. I hope you enjoyed the video.